Hello everyone, welcome to Cast2cloud, the first and only web-based platform for interacting with Cast3m. All Cast2cloud features are available for free, you just need to create a free account to use the more advanced features. Today, I will show you how to work with Cast2cloud by a series of tutorial videos. Before starting, you can activate the quick tutorial option to have a quick explanation about the features of each pages. This tutorial can be activated anytime by using the help button. This first tutorial will help you create a new project. To start a new project, click on Start a Project from Scratch button. You will need to fill the new project form. This information will be shown in the header of your JBI file. By default, Cast2cloud uses SI as the unit system, all other units are derived from the base units. When everything is ready, just click on Start to continue. The first step is to define your mesh, this will be object of the next tutorial. Thank you very much and see you in next video.